Welcome viewer, I am Murugan. This video tutorial describes how to exclude a particular folder from Scan in Kaspersky. Open Kaspersky antivirus program. Click Settings. Click Additional. Click Threats and Exclusions. Click Manage Exclusions. Click Add. Browse the folder you want to exclude. Check all options. Status active. Click Add. Now your folder is excluded successfully. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.